It's been 1 year. 1 year since the unthinkable happened. 1 year since we were put to the test. 1 year since our world as we knew it changed forever. A lot can happen in 1 year. Today, I can confidently tell you that what we have seen over the last 12 months, I will remember for the rest of my life. As I stepped outside after the storm, I saw first responders and a community answering the call to help others. As I walked across our campus, I already saw team members with a newfound resolve in their eyes. And that night, when I said we would come back stronger than ever, I absolutely knew we would. And we did. In the hours, days, and weeks that followed, I saw a superhuman strength to make that happen. To our team members, dealers, customers, first responders, and community, thank you. Thank you for being a part of our story. A story so strong it will be remembered for a lifetime. We are forever Vermeer strong.